Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Melsia Tika and my student number is 24030500101. Today I'm going to present an article that I have chosen for this assessment, titled Exploring Coloration in Language Education Skills. In this presentation, I will explain the article, select the most important thing I learned from it, and also share some of my own thoughts and questions related to the topic. Question 1. Which article did you choose and why? Article select. I choose the article titled The Correlation Among Critical Thinking Skill, Critical Reading Skill, and Reading Comprehension by Mawadah Hidayati, Rida Indrawati, and Bambang Leoneto, published in the English Review, Journal of English Education. Why I chose it? This article stood out because it directly addresses key skills in language education, critical thinking, critical reading, and reading comprehension, which are essential for students, especially in higher education like university programs. Helpful I was drawn to its empirical research design, including correlation and regression analysis, which provide data-driven insight into how these skills interconnect in legends with broader educational goals, such as fostering lifelong learning and critical engagement with information, making it highly relevant for educators and learners in English education. The context provides only this article, so it was the natural choice, but it also deep and practical implication made it compelling. Visual saw the article's title slide with author and publication details. Number 2, what was the most important thing that you learned from the text you choose to read? The most important insight I gained is that critical thinking skill and critical reading skill are strongly correlated with reading comprehension, with a combined contribution of 17 to overall reading comprehension performance among English education students at UIN Raden Fatah Palembang. Why it's important? The study found significant positive correlation, emphasizing that the skills are not isolated but interdependent. This highlights that teaching critical thinking and reading skill interactively can enhance comprehension. A student who analyzes, evaluates, and synthesizes information while reading performs better. For instance, aspects like evaluating an argument in critical thinking and analyzing an argument in critical reading directly boosts improvisation, suggesting educators should priority this in curricula. Broader implication: in a world of information overload, the skill helps students become self-governing learners. Listening with UNESCO focus on critical thinking for future survival. And next question. What additional thought or question came to mind as you were reading and thinking about this article? Rational thought. I thought about how the research could extend beyond English education to other disciplines, like science or history, where critical reading of text is critical for problem solving. It reinforced that the idea that education should integrate skill training early. As the study notes that critical thinking doesn't develop naturally and it needs practice through questioning and reasoning. Positively, the findings support inclusive teaching. A student at various levels could to a friend solve correlations suggesting that skills can be helpful for all learners. Whereas how might cultural or linguistic background influence their collection, especially for non-native English speakers in diverse settings? Called longitudinal studies show if their skill improve over time with target information beyond the quotational design here. What role does technology like AI assisted reading tools play in enhancing critical thinking and reading without replacing human engagement? Next, how applicable are these findings to online learning environments given the rise of digital text post 2020? Visual use a mind map slide to illustrate through branching into question with icon for each conclusion. So this enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.